Alright, welcome back. Let's see, the music's been very quiet. Oh, I guess it makes sense because the volume's down so low. Let's see, I'll see if I get the volume right this time. Sometimes it's too loud, sometimes it's too quiet. And today, I still don't have any scripts for new side quests. So I don't know. Maybe I'll do the dialogue features. Because I guess the contextual questions would be good. Let's see. I'm going to do tools, developer, view package file. The first thing, the most important thing, of course, is to add it to the syntax. So let's say punctuation at access.dialog. So this pushes reply. What if I did a literal question and then word characters, one or more? And also this needs an actual question mark. So what that should do is if we go here, I could add a question like, it doesn't seem like it's doing the right thing. So that does the right thing still. Wait, I think it's S? No, I think it is D. Or W. So this should mean at the start of a line, we get either, an optional question mark. Actually, this all needs to be here. So we can optionally get a question mark and a word. Do I need to do this, maybe? So first off, excuse me. This doesn't seem to be working. Oh, I see. The white space needs to go first, because otherwise... Okay. And then I can have, like, a context here. Alright, let's see if I can learn how to parse that. So let's close all this. Dialog importer. So that doesn't give me quite what I want. We need, I guess I can just use the exact same rejects. I wonder which one is invalid. So invalid escapes, is it this, maybe? I mean, but no, that should work. Maybe it's this? Maybe I have to do that? Oh wait, no, it's because I need to do 2 slashes for each of these. I think in Godot, I think in GDScript 4 they have like actual reject string syntax, which would be really nice here. Oh, yeah, and I don't need these anymore. Those have been abolished. But okay, so now we need to add this context reply. So I guess what it'll transform into is like, what would it be? Let's go to the dialogue sequence, or dialogue item, I guess. So we're going to have a new type, which will be context reply. And I guess it'll evaluate, it can have conditions and stuff, just the same as everything else. And then, so I guess I could hijack the speaker field. But okay, let's do like parse text maybe. So we first need to, I think, extract the reply, maybe? No, I guess we extract the expressions, extract the type. If nm, else. Var crm, var context reply, that's search line, if crm. Well, why don't I just return? I'm gonna have less nesting here because it gets annoying to deal with. Oh, need a comma. And also we need, oh wait, I have parentheses around it, I think. I'm gonna have to see how my... These are so... Regular expressions are so unreadable. I'm gonna have to go back to school and figure out if this question mark means that this isn't part of the, like, named captures, because I'm just gonna do that. Here. So we'll replace that, and we'll do speaker equals nm.get string 1. If... Oh wait, no, it's CRM. What are our methods here? Is it strings dot size greater than 1? Otherwise, there is no speaker. So, yeah, I'll just... Maybe I should just rename that then, if it's not going to be the actual speaker. Ah, well. And then else we return... Oh. Alright, commas. Oh, okay. Okay, so I do need these to be strings, I just didn't realize that. And I just realized I don't even, I don't get the speaker here, typically. Okay. And hopefully we don't get extra speakers. Actually, hang on. This will be if w.type equals type.message. Because none of these otherwise have this. So let's just not fiddle with that. Okay, so this should give us a new dialog item. So then if I go to dialog viewer... Actually, let's create a test dialog. So let's go back to my proof of concept. Test, Alright, let's see. Let's put this on. So what's this in? This is the cube-loving villager. He is now going to be... Mr. Context. This music's getting a little loud. You need to hear me clearing my throat. Okay, so we got little Mr. Guy here. I'll put him at a 45-degree angle so I can tell where he is. So I think this will just crash the game. Why does my controller never work? It's always plugged in. Interesting. Hang on. Dialogue. What does dialogue viewer do? So where is this? This would be in like... Oh, wait, first I guess I should check to make sure that he actually has the correct dialogue. So it should have... We have 3 little lines. Message, context, reply, message. Okay. And the speaker is not correct. What does this mean? The question mark. I mean, because that's that would be kind of handy to have a question mark as context. But let's try with like... So we have this. Okay, so the question mark is in here for some... Oh wait, no. Okay, I understand why now. It's because obviously it would be in here. Because if we go back to the importer, it's literally inside the parentheses. So what I would need is to substring by 1. So let's do like context reply. Dot substring 1. So now let's re-import this. Then we get that, which is good. Now let's make sure that it doesn't, like, break. This is a secret dialogue. Okay. So that looks pretty good. And then I should just disable the... Hang on. Actually, I'm going to do that, probably. Let's go to my plugin. Say the dialogue editor. That's terrible. It sucks and it's bad. And that's... I guess it doesn't handle anything anymore. Well, now that I'm thinking about this, it's still kind of useful to occasionally use it. Okay, what on earth am I doing now? Dialogue viewer is what I'm doing. So, pretty soon, I'm gonna need to go... Oh, it's in the player. Ah, well, I'll figure that out soon. So we have pick item. This should be actually called, like, context menu or something. But who cares? I need to... Let's look for a match. Oh, I don't... Hang on. So we're gonna have dialog item dot type dot keys type and then I guess like current item dot text. Oh wait, hang on. I just, well, How does this work if I only have... So I think the conditions here... These will be the conditions that appear when the player, like, chooses this? Or for this to show up in the player's menu. And then the other things would have to be in here. Like, these would be like the effects of it. I wonder if skip could work with this. I'll have to do some work to make sure that I know what this does. Or that I have like a clear idea of what it's going to be doing. But okay, let's at least see this in action. So it should just show that secret dialogue option as an unsupported thing. And then I'll have like a contextual thing. So what do I do? This will be a dictionary of arrays. So this way when I unmention something, it'll be removed. So let's go back to here. Dialog item dot type dot context reply. contextual. So what if I do like... This will be current item dot text, current item dot speaker. And then if context, or let's do like var context equals context if context is not equal to empty else. So this will be stuff that's never removed. And let's also go back to start the dialogue. So clear. Oh yeah, this will be like a key. And then if key in contextual replies key dot append text else applies key equals text, an array containing text. And so now this is just a method that I could actually just call. So I'll just put it down here, I guess. Yeah, let's put it at the bottom. So this is now semantically identical to, like, so you can see how it's less verbose. Oh wait, I guess it's not quite the same though. Because eventually, this thing's gonna have to actually add the reply. So it's gonna be, let's do contextual replies key equals, so this should actually be the message. Because it needs the children of it. So this needs to be current item. Also, why does current item not have... Oh, it does have its item. Okay, so how do I, like, skip now? Because I actually need to... If... What is it? Current item... text... And not no skip. Insert contextual reply. How do I skip here? So like to show message. Because we need to like auto advance. I guess with a contextual reply, I would just call advance again? Or like, when is advance called? Because I don't want to like blow up the stack here. Actually, I guess what I could do. Well, no, I need to, I need to evaluate, so it needs to evaluate the conditions. Hmm. I'll try that. I'll just not have like dozens and dozens of these listed one after the other, or probably like thousands to blow up the actual stack. And then what do I do with these? I guess I have to do like function like list contextual replies or something. Or how does choose reply work? Also, why did I do it this way? Go message. Oh, it's because I have the current items speaker. Well, I could just do... Okay, so let's do show message. Item.text. You. Oh, we need the... Okay. Hang on. So we need text string. Speaker string. Font override string. And then let's do if... let's... Okay. So it'll be current item dot text, current item dot speaker, font override. And then for show message, we can do that. One tricky part is currently it won't handle skip. It'll just do like whatever else it wants to do with that. So I'll just leave that be. Okay, so what I need now is when I press the button to pick an item, let's go to my player. It needs to grab the dialogue, or yeah, it needs to grab the contextual replies that are available. Also, before I do that, unmentioned topic. Let's do contextual replies.erase topic. Oh yeah, also I need to mention a topic. So let's do that in insert contextual reply. Add if context not equal to this, and then let's return row here, just in case I actually do need to use it. Well, you literally can't use it here, so this is no longer within the dialog functions list. So let's go all the way back up. Let's make this more explicit. And let's also, I guess, function add. How do I do this? Alright, let's go back to here. So this is our dialogue. And I need our item context. And so this thing gets the signal to use the item. Or, oh wait, no, this emits that signal. Yeah, here it is. Item context show. So we need a more fancy method here. Or I guess we got that still. Alright. OnReady bar viewer equals viewer. So we'll need to also do like update list contextual replies or something. So function So where do the bar buttons? So we need... We need buttons in here. It's like it'll be like bar context, bar inventory. So if you have no items, that's invisible. If you have no context, that's invisible. Alright. Bar inventory. Wait, bar bar inventory. Okay, and this buttons list, this is going to be item buttons. And we'll also have function contextual. Yeah, that's fine. So list contextual replies. Or are in, or like e. What would it be? List in. Ah, well, whatever. Bar reply buttons array. So let's do like white. And that's also, I can also emit a signal here. Signal new lie. And that'll just do like emit signal new textual reply. Okay. For list in viewer dot contextual replies. Bar button I should remove some redundancy. Verbosity. And then so this will be our context button. Oh wait, no, this is... Then we need to do for C in list. So these are dialogue items, so this will be c.text. And then var... let's do like... hide init signal context fly item. And these may need to be whatever abominable, like, multi-line button I developed for replies, so... Oh. Go reply. Or list replies. That's what that was. So I had to do... Yeah, I had to do this evil stuff here. So I guess I could do, like... I could just create one of these things. So like var b is multi-line button. Oh, and I also need, how do I do this? There we go. So let's do viewer.multiline button. C.text. Do I not have button box anymore? What did I change it to? Maybe it's like 30 bar. I mean, I think it's just the container itself. Okay, we have now... Does this work? So it should just add these to the thing. Oh wait, it doesn't actually do the... I don't know if it does everything properly. Hang on. Oh, so the game is busted. Okay. There's some duplicated logic that I still need here in the dialogue viewer, I think. No, in the item context. Yeah, I need this. So it's what bar context apply buttons. And I think okay, yeah, that's all the same then. So let's see if this at least shows up in the replies then. Because now we should be... Oh wait, do I need a signal? No, wait, I don't need a signal. It seems to have died though. So let's pause. Let's see where we are. Are we anywhere? No. Okay, but there is some sort of loop here now. Button box. Oh, okay. Alright, let's see if regular dialogue works, so that way I can narrow it down, because I did a few refactors while I was doing this, which is not good form. Also, I'm gonna rehide that. See, that goes away. Let's skip that. See you later. Okay, so that definitely freezes for some reason. So let's go back to contextual reply. Maybe it's new contextual reply? Well, no, that doesn't make any sense. Ah, I see. This is get next, not advance. I don't know why There's so many, like, poor naming conventions for these internal things. Essentially, advance, I don't know, performs all the logic for one dialogue item, and get next is what does that, or it gets the next item and then does that. I don't care anymore. This should be fine. Invalid get index texts on base string. Oh, are they not? What are they? So I thought these contextual replies. Replies. Well, what's C then? C is minus. And we have never. Hmm. Let's see, viewer, let's see what contextual replies looks like. So it contains an array, and in that array is the secret dialogue option. So the list is never remove. For list, viewer.contextual replies dot values, maybe? Oh wait, no, okay. I just realized. So this should be K, or like key. Well, I don't care about the actual... Like, it's not my problem what they're called. I don't care about the context. That's for the unmentioned API. Or, like, function to deal with. Because that's just so that I can conditionally remove groups of those replies once they have exited their usefulness. Okay, so I'm seeing also... Okay. So that's good. That lets that do that. So now we just need to have the context reply do anything. Dialog editor, player. So this item context. So let's do context reply. Show context reply. So I guess it would just be like current, or how do I do replies? Okay. Songs to... What music should I put on now? There's esotericism. I have no idea what this is, but I'll put the title into chat. Alright, so this should just work, as far as I can tell. I may need to grab the control back. Really, the hard one of these features is going to be showing the notes, and that's just going to be the UI that's hard for it. Because I'll need to also redo the item UI. Ah, wait. There is a complicated thing here, though. So we need to do like a bat. So yeah, all of these need some... Yeah. Well, I'll do congratulations. Okay. So we now need to do subtopic. Call stack.pushback current item. Okay, that's what I need. So it basically does the subtopic call. So I'll need to make sure that each of those replies has a back to it, or else it's gonna then pop back out and then just do the dialogue, like do the regular dialogue flow. Oh. Hang on. So we need to, like, extract this. How do we do... I think it's get canonical next, then? So yeah, because we skip the dialogue properly, we don't skip... We need to skip all of these child items as well. Context reply... So how do I do that? Would it be... So, if current item.text canonical failed next is what we need. So it's treated as if it failed. And then we do advance. Because failed next skips all the children of the item. But then I don't get control back. So how does use item work? Oh. Okay, let's try that again. Wow, that seems to actually work. So now I need to use that in more complicated places. Or I guess I just have that as a tool. I can start inserting them, because basically the point of that is to make it so that, like, I don't have to disrupt the flow of conversation for the player to point out things, or like give the player the option of asking questions and pointing things out. Because I've often wanted the ability for the player to interrupt characters while they're talking about something, without just, like, you know, presenting them at every single line with the like a dialogue choice, like, where one would be like say something, the other would be like let them cook or something. Now you can, like, bring up this little menu at any point in the conversation and be like, hey, I want to do something else. Also, I need to fix the soft lock with the, when you press the skip all until next choice button. So hang on, let's pause this. Let's go to the dialogue, here, I guess. I want one of these, so we need exit down here. Continue, use item. So this needs to move up a little bit more. Actually, I could just make this expand the other way. So I'll do end there. So So then, and then let's do alignment. Maybe I can't do that here? No, I guess that would just be a V-box where I can make it then bottom aligned. But okay, what that should do is, yeah, now when I add new things, they align to, they go up. Okay, so one of these, this will be like, I don't know, UI skip dialogue, maybe? What did I call it? Skip to next choice. And I don't know if I really want this to be in the game, but I use it a whole bunch, everywhere. So AY, XB. But okay, and let's put in bugs. So I guess now I have my contextual stuff. So, I mean, I guess I gotta test. Let's make sure. So this one. I guess we can just test with the, where'd that guy go? So after this one, oh wait, I keep forgetting my fancy new. Honestly, for these small things, it doesn't really make a difference. Yeah, like I could do like, I forgot here as well. I'd like to use this style consistently, because it just looks aesthetically pleasing. Okay. So the bug, let's go to bugs. Game breaking. Game freezes when there is no new choice. And I think I know what that would be. So if we go to item contact or dialog viewer. So while item type not equal to item.dialog type dot reply and current item. I mean, I guess I could do even crazier. I could do like so get next should return false there, because I think it was just, I mean, now that I think about it, there's no, like, this exit function doesn't do anything outside of like once it returns, or like once it, like, I guess it sets some things up, but it wouldn't actually do anything if we're still in a while loop. So let's just mash X. Oh, look there, thanks. Huh? Oh. Okay, so that all seems good. I'm not a fan of how she kicks people in the face at the end of that. Alright, and I can also test the named context and unremoving things. Okay. So now we have, that doesn't seem to exist anymore. And that seems to be good. Now let's just add all. Textual responses and whatever else I did. Let's see, and I kind of would prefer to start doing some work, but I think, honestly, I think I might call it here. Just call it very short today. Just because I'm doing some fancy work. So now we have a bunch of fancy features. But I don't really need more features. I need more content. Let's make sure the new game doesn't crash the game. I'm not a fan of how long that takes. That's a really suspicious thing to me. Because I just don't understand why it takes, or why the screen is black for several seconds there. Also, so many UI elements get in the way of each other now. I guess I might as well, like, move some stuff around. So where's the player's, So let's hide the dialogue viewer. So tutorial. Let's do that. So how much of this stuff can actually be on the screen at the same time? Like save stats. This interferes with the... Where should I put this? Let's get, like, the inventory here. The reset bar, the item stuff. The note for... Let's see. I don't think the tutorial and this should be visible at the same time. Well, I mean, I guess that's not impossible, though. Honestly, what I think I would want is, like, a log of things that exist. Like, maybe saving and saved, item get, reset get. Maybe, well, I guess resetting can be something. Maybe I'll put this, like, in the center, though. Like, what if we just put it, like, right there? Or, like, lower down. And this is also like a 1024 example screen. Story time is fine. Let's see, what happens if I just have this like this? Oh, the tutorial is visible still. But okay, I think that's fine. So this is notes. What if I attached it, like, to this thing? I'm gonna do center wide for this as well. Or middle wide, center wide. Like that. I don't even know if those notes even work. Let's try like new game. Yeah, I don't even think that's there. But also now there's a journal for yourself. It seems to be adding multiple things though. Wait a second. Let's go back to game state. And let's go to global. No, okay. I thought it was because the journal stuff. But okay, that's fine. Well, I don't care how many of these the player got. What was I doing? Player start. Is it just duplicated? Oh, I'm gonna put Jackie as the first entry. So is it a bug with the new... Is it a bug with notes, or is it a bug with the new games? So I guess it must be... Well, now it's just working fine. What's that about? Ah, okay, hang on. Global. So what is it? Reset? Reset game. And also, do I want the reset button bar right there? I'll just put it on top. I prefer it on top of the, Let's go back to 2D. Center bottom. I'd prefer it right there. You know, if you're resetting, who cares what your stamina is? You're already resetting the game, so clearly it's not enough stamina. And I also wish I could have figured out how to get baked lighting working. Maybe if I keep working on the game for long enough, I'll use, I'll like make a baked ambient occlusion for the day-night cycle. So that way I can at least have like the, or at least that. Because then it could like blend between black and the ambient light. Alright. Let's also... Let's add this. adjusted global. Let's do minor bug fix. Adjusted UI position or layout. Let's see, what else do I want? 137. Oh yeah, the village head guy. I don't know if that's going to be useful. Yeah, I think I just need to make some dialogue here. Well, I've talked before. I don't really like writing on stream. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write off stream until I get a good script, you know, beginning to end. Or I'll just come back on Saturday and do whatever else. So that means I could potentially be gone Wednesday, and I guess I'll just head out early today. But yeah, hopefully next time, and hopefully tomorrow, I come back with a cool script for another side quest and we can spend another week doing that. See you then.